Hi, dear students, how are you? This is part 2 of Worksheet Week 5, Grade 8. Guys, please watch the videos in details for the lessons. You will see the videos, it's in details, in more details. This is like just a summary of what we're going to have. So, we have here what this lesson is called simplifying algebraic expressions. What's simplifying? To make the expressions in the most simple, the simplest form, to make the expression in the simplest form. So if we have here this example 5x plus 7x, we have here how many terms? Okay, we have two terms. How many terms here? We have two terms. They are like or unlike? They are like terms. They are like terms. Why? Because we have here x and x. This is the same. Yes, the same variable. This is the same variable, right? So because x and x is the same variable, okay? X called variable, remember. Okay, guys, so he asks me to do what? Simplify algebraic expression. When I the expression here is in its simplest form, when it doesn't have like terms or parentheses. Here like terms like x and x, y and y, okay, 2x and 1x, 3y and 4y. So I have to what to here solve for this. It's not here in the simplest form. Or when you have brackets here, when you have brackets or parentheses, so you are not what, it's not in the simplest form. Let's solve for this, guys. Okay, we have here in example 1, I have here 87q plus 10q, simplify each expression. Okay, so I have here what? Like terms. What's the like terms here? We got here q and q, right? So use your distributive property, guys. So put q outside, we need the marker. Here, put q the outside, and then put what? 87 and I have 10. 87, between them what, guys? Plus 87 plus 10. Okay, guys? Okay. When I say that 87 plus 10 gives you 97. So the answer is 97q. Between them we have here multiply. I know I can say 97q, and we have here hidden multiplication. Okay, guys? So this is in the simplest form. This is in the simplest form here. I have here s plus then 7 open bracket s plus 1. It's easy. I have here, so remember that, use your distributive property. So 7 will be one time multiplied by s, and then another time multiplied by y, by 1. So s plus what here? 7 multiplied by s equals what? 7 multiplied by s, 7s, right? 7 multiplied by 1, 7 multiplied by 1 equals 7, right? I have here 7s and just 1s. So 7s plus 1s gives me what? 8s. 8s plus what, guys? The 7 remains there. So the answer, the final answer will be 8s plus 7. Can I do anything for this, or this is the simplest form? This is the simplest form. Why? Because we don't have here like terms and we don't have any brackets. Okay, guys, let's continue. It's very easy, like a piece of cake. So here, this is from your practice book, guys. Okay, open your practice book and answer with me. Restate each expression using the distributive property. Do not simplify. Do not simplify. Okay. Okay. I have here what? Use the restate the expression using this distributive. I have here z plus 6x. So when I use the distributing, I have what's the like term here? It's z. So put z outside the bracket, and then this z is okay. Z, I have how many z's here? One z. Okay, so one z, one plus what? Plus what, guys? 6, and close the bracket. Okay, when you solve this, 7 times 1 z, z times 1 z plus 6 z plus 6 z times 6 gives me 6z. So this is the answer using the distributive property. Okay. Okay, guys, here use the distributive property to do this. I have here p outside, one time times 10 and the other time multiply by 6. So it will be what? 10 6 plus what? Sorry, 10 6 what? 10p, I'm sorry, 10p plus 6 what? 6p. So this is the answer. He asked me, do not simplify this time. This is not simplifying. Okay, I'm using the distributive property, guys. Okay, guys, easy. Okay, guys, this one. Okay, this example, standardized test practice the expression 3 open bracket x plus 2y by using that distributive property. 3, first thing, 3 times what? 3 times x is very easy. 3 times what the next time? 3 times 2y. 3 times 2y, 3 times 2, 6, and I will put y. So the answer is 3x plus what? 6y. 3x plus 6y. Okay, guys, number A. Okay. Okay, let's continue. Okay, guys, this is your practice book, page 42. Please do it as homework. Okay, it's easy like what we have solved now. Moving to solving equations by adding or subtracting. This is the last last lesson of this week. I have here what subtraction property equality and the addition property of equality. To change an equation of equivalent equations, that's easier to solve. Let's see what we are talking about, guys. Okay, if I have here what a equal b, okay, and a minus c, so a minus c, this one, guys, let's focus here. I have here, this is the rule, by the way. I have here, if you subtract the same number from each side of an equation, the two sides remain equal. So if a equals to b, so a minus c, okay, equal b minus c, right? If a, again, if a, okay, read the marker, if a equal b, so if we take from this a, okay, c minus c, so it will be the same if I subtracted here c from b. What are you saying, miss? Let's see together. This example shows us what I'm talking about. Solve q plus 12 equal 37. Q plus 12 equal 37. So if I added here what, guys, if I want to get rid of this positive 12, so here negative 12 and here negative 12. To get rid of what? To get rid of this positive 12. So q here equal to 37 minus 12. Another way, and we usually use this way, guys, if I say q plus 12 equal 37, okay, we used to do this. Positive 12 goes to the other side by negative, and then q will be here 25. 37 minus 12, 25. Okay, we have two ways, and you can solve by the one you think it's very easy for you. So I have here, for example, here in your practice book, I have here a plus 17 equal 48. Okay, so this positive 17 goes to the other side because they are like terms. I want to get rid of them. Minus 17. Okay, is it easy? Okay, number 15, n minus 11, all in bracket, plus 14 equal 23. How can I solve these, guys? I have here number and I have here number, like terms. Let's put this outside. N minus 11, okay, in brackets, equal 23 minus 14, right? 23 minus 14. And I have here n minus 11. So I have here what? So guys, here n minus 11 plus 14 equal 23. I put positive 14 the other side by negative 23 minus 14. N minus 11 will be what? Will be 9. Negative 11 goes to the other side, okay, because they are like terms. N will be what? 9 plus 11. So n will be equal to 20. Okay, guys, this is the simplification. Okay, here this is solve for, okay, it's for, and then check. Okay, if I can say here, skip here the sailing. Skip sets sail from Chicago headed towards Milwaukee. Milwaukee is 74. Okay, here the number 74 miles from Chicago. He stops for lunch at Kenosha, which is 37 miles from Chicago. How far does he still have to sail, guys? What do you think? It's very easy. So I will do what? I will do 74 minus the 37. Okay, 74 from Chicago to the destination he needs to go to, and he stopped at 37 miles. So I will subtract here 37 from 74. So the answer will be 37. The remaining will be 37. Okay, guys, easy. Okay, after that, okay, you have your practice book, page 43. It's homework, guys. It's the same as. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to send me on Google Classroom. Thank you, my dear students.